Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're starting with the essentials. Mount the kit lens and get into aperture priority or manual mode now. Open the aperture to the lowest f number available on your kit lens so you begin reducing depth of field. Move physically closer to your subject while increasing distance to the background to amplify background blur. Make sure focus mode is set to single point autofocus and aim that point at your subject's eyes or primary detail. Once done, meter and check exposure to confirm your image isn't overexposed. Now you refine the blur. Zoom into the longest focal length your kit lens offers to compress the scene and enhance out-of-focus areas. Use a single AF point and lock focus precisely on your subject. If you recompose, do it gently to avoid focus shift. Adjust shutter speed and ISO to keep exposure balanced after opening the aperture. Raise ISO only as needed to avoid camera shake. Make sure image stabilization is set appropriately. With slower shutter speeds, steady the camera or use a tripod for a cleaner result. Finish by reviewing your shots closely and making targeted corrections. If the background still looks sharp, open the aperture further, zoom more, or increase subject-to-background distance. You can also move closer to the subject to reduce depth of field. If focus isn't reliable, switch to manual focus and fine-tune while viewing live view, or change AF point to a larger zone. If noise appears after raising ISO, recover exposure with a slightly slower shutter or add soft fill light. These fixes keep the blur without ruining image quality.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.